Dale, güey. Dale, güey. Ya empezaron, güey.
Tranquilo, duele, güey.
God damn. Dale bien, güey.
Aguas, ahí viene. Está hablando este. Ya, primo, está hablando este güey.
Holy fucking shit. Oh. No mames, güey.
Here, Maddie is gonna go crazy when she sees that.
Oh my gosh, wait, can I please?
No, stop. You have to promise you can't.
I promise it won't hurt. It won't hurt. Okay, let me watch you do it then.
Okay.
Come show Paige, it's like a little movie. I won't do my nails. I won't do my nails. Stop it.
Everyone, get out of here.
No,
Great, always fight, never quit, do it right. And I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill. They wanna sing my name. Supposed to feel.
Should we put a pin in there or something?
No, you didn't need to before. You should have squeezed really hard. You can go as hard as you need to. Like.
Oh my god!
Yuck. See?
Oh my god.
Abby, save it.
Best
Get a
moment
paper
of my
towel.
life. This is the best moment of my life.
I don't want to see it. Don't let me see it. It's white gross.
my god.
It's so gross, isn't it?
Oh my god, it's awesome!
Oh my god.
We're out of paper towels. You're gonna have to use one of those things.
Just get toilet paper.
Oh yeah.
Is it so gross?
Yeah.
Carly, don't do anything on God! Carly, I swear to God, if you do anything on God, we're not.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I am so happy about my life right
Does
now.
it smell?
Not yet, but don't stop talking about the smell. That part grosses me out.
Oh my god, it's so gross. Oh my god. Get it all out. I'm tired of it. Is it so gross? It's thick, right?
Yeah. Oh my god.
I don't want to see. I don't want to see. There's probably a lot.
Oh my
What happened? What happened? What happened?
This is the fucking grossest.